Two-factor authentication, not working on RBC Direct Investing app fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the RBC Direct Investing app, it can be frustrating, especially when you just want quick access to your portfolio. But here's the good news, most of the time, it's an easy fix once you know where to look. Let's start with the most common cause, your phone's time setting. Go to your settings and make sure the option for set automatically is turned on. This is crucial because even a few seconds difference between your phone's clock and RBC servers can make your authentication code invalid. Next, open your App Store and check for updates to the RBC Direct Investing app. Outdated versions can interfere with secure logins, especially after RBC releases system upgrades. Once updated, restart the app and try again. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, open it and choose Sync Time for codes. This step fixes nearly all timing mismatches instantly. If your two-factor code isn't coming via SMS, disable your PIN and switch to mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Some carriers or network providers block automated security messages. If you recently changed your device, deleted your authenticator app, or lost access to it, use the Can't Access Your Two-Factor Authentication link on the login screen. RBC can verify your identity and restore access to your account safely. For stubborn cases, uninstall and reinstall the RBC Direct Investing app. This refreshes your connection to RBC's secure network and clears any corrupted cache data. Once you've synced your time, updated your app, and confirmed your security settings, your two-factor authentication should start working perfectly again. It's a small step that makes a huge difference in protecting your trading account and personal financial information.